Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about DSHM Recruitment 2021.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Here are the basic details. The organization name is Delhi State Health Mission, also called as DSHM. There are n number of vacancies open. The post names are as follows: Legal Consultant, Consultant Medicine MD, Accounts Manager, Accounts Assistant, Medical Lecturer, Steno or Secretarial Assistant, Public Health Nurse, Establishment Clerk, Medical Officer, Psychotherapist, Quality Assurance Consultant, State Consultant, District Quality Assurance Coordinator, Counselor, Legal Consultant, District Program Manager, District BCC Officer, IEC, BCC Consultant, Medical Assistant and Dental Surgeon. The number of vacancies open are 279 and the starting date for applying has already been started. And the closing date is in 1st of March 2021 and the job location is in New Delhi. Here is the official website. You can check out the official website if you need further information. Moving on to the vacancy details, according to the category that you are belonging to, the vacancy number will be varying. For legal consultant, for general there is 7, for OBC 3, for SC 1 and there are no vacancies for ST and in total you have 11 vacancies for legal consultant. For consultant medicine, there are 8 for general, 3 for OBC, 1 for SC and there are no vacancies again for ST. So in total you have 12. For accounts manager, there are 3 for general, 1 for OBC and SC, ST have no vacancies for this particular post and in total you have 4. For accounts assistant, there are 25 vacancies in total, but for general there are 15, for OBC 6, for SC 3 and for ST there are 1. For medical lecturer, there is only 1 vacancy open, that is for only general category. And for steno or secretarial assistant, there are no vacancies for general, SC and ST. There are only 2 vacancies for OBC. For public health nurse, there is only 1 vacancy under the general category and there are no vacancies for the rest of the categories. For establishment clerk, there are general, you have 3. 1 for OBC and there are no vacancies for SC and ST. For medical officer, total you have 132 and for general you have 69, for OBC 35, SC 19 and ST 9. For psychotherapist, you have 8 for general, 4 for OBC, 2 for SC and 1 for ST. So in total 15 vacancies. Quality assurance consultant, 1 for general and there is no vacancies for rest of the categories. For state consultant, for quality monitoring, 1 for the general and there are no vacancies in the rest of the categories. For district quality assurance coordinator, there are 2 for general and OBC you have 2, 1 for SC and there are no vacancies for ST category. For counselor, you have 18 for general, 8 for OBC, 4 for SC and 2 for ST. In total, you have 32 vacancies for this particular post. For legal consultant, you have 1 for general and there are no vacancies for the rest of the post. For district manager, there are 2 vacancies for OBC and 1 for SC. And for district BCC officer, there are 2 vacancies for general and there are no vacancies for the rest of the categories. For IEC BCC consultant, only again 1 vacancy for general and there are no vacancies for the rest of the categories. For media assistant, there is 1 vacancy for general and there are no other vacancies for the rest of the categories. For the dental surgeon post, in total 25 vacancies, 15 for general, OBC you have 6, SC you have 3 and 1 for ST. Here you have the education requirement details. The candidates have to complete their LLB, MD, BCom, MCom or MBA Finance or postgraduate degree, 12th grade or its equivalent, BSc Nursing, Graduate, MBBS, Bachelor's degree in Psychotherapist, BPT, Dental, Ayush Nursing Graduate, Diploma or BDS. So all of these streams are eligible for education requirement. Moving on to the selection process, candidates will be selected by the officials based on the written test and also followed by the interview as well. And the age limit. The minimum age limit for the candidate is 30 years of age and the maximum is 45 years of age. Now, you can also check out the official notification if you need clear details regarding the age limit. And the pay scale. For legal consultant, it's 49,875 per month. For consultant medicine, it's 94,500. For accounts manager, it is 33,000. For accounts assistant, it's 23,000. For medical lecturer, it's 85,000, and conveyance will be up to rupees 4,500. For steno secretarial assistant, it's 21,000 starting, and public health nurse 49,000 is the pay scale start, and establishment clerk it's 23,000. Moving on to the next post, which is medical officer, we have 71,550 with the conveyance up to 4,500, and psychotherapist it's 50,000. For quality assurance consultant, it's 62,000. For state consultant, it's 50,000. For district quality assurance coordinator, it's 43,000. For counselor, it is 23,000. And for legal consultant, it's 56,000. District program manager, 48. District BCC officer 38,000, IEC BCC consultant it's 48, medical assistant 21, and dental surgeon the pay scale will be starting from 71,000. Here is the link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description box as well, so don't forget to check it out and get the direct access of the link to apply for the desired and eligible post. Or you can also head on to Google and search for DSHM jobs 2021 freshers now, and the first link that you're going to get, you can access that link and get the all information there. Further, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding it, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.